Hello and welcome to itheeverse guys, or welcome back to itheeverse guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. My name is इथी शिंदे और आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ मेरा नॉर्मल बेसिक मेकअप लुक, या फिर यू कैन कॉल इट एज अ मेकअप फॉर बिगनर्स. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. The first and foremost thing is moisturizing. But मैं सबसे पहले प्राइम करूँगी अपने फेस को, and for primer I'm going to use rose water and aloe vera gel. So this is this is my Dabur Gulabari. See, believe me or not, but I'm using rose water for like past 3 months now as a toner and even a primer, and it works best on my skin. Just you have to press it in your face and let it dry. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा एलोवेरा जेल, just that much.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling.
So yeah, we are done with priming our face. अब हम करेंगे moisturizing. So for that I'm using this Nivea moisturizer. Like I use only this. You know that if you have watched my previous makeup videos. And if you have watched my previous makeup videos on my YouTube and Instagram, you know that I don't use foundation and I use only BB cream. So next step is foundation or BB cream. So this is my BB cream in the shade Original 01 as usual. मैंने डिसाइड किया कि आज मैं घर पे खुद का एक फ़ोटो शूट करूँ. सो फॉर दैट आई एम प्रेपिंग एंड आई हैव वेरी लेस टाइम बिकॉज आई हैव जस्ट डन विथ माई वर्क and it's 4 now, like 4 p.m. in the evening, and I'm running out of natural light. So I'm just hurrying up. So अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट हो रहा है तो स्लो मोशन में करके देखिए प्लीज़, पर देखिए ज़रूर. BB cream works the best on my skin. Like recently it is started working best on my skin because पहले BB cream भी सूट नहीं होता था और फाउंडेशन भी सूट नहीं होता था, but now I'm happy. You can apply it on the neck also because you should apply, वरना अलग नहीं दिखना चाहिए. Okay, so the next step is powder pack or baking. So for this you can use pressed powder or loose powder, but I'm using pressed powder from Maybelline Fit Me, and it's in the shade Natural Ivory. And whatever, we are running out of time, baby. So क्या हुआ ना, मैं लास्ट टाइम एक और मेकअप वीडियो शूट कर रही थी एंड आई वॉज शूटिंग इट विथ माई बैक कैम बिकॉज एज यू ऑल नो, आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू नो और नॉट, बट आई डोंट हैव अ कैमरा एंड आई शूट माई वीडियोज़ विथ मोबाइल. सो क्या है ना कि लाइक मेरा फ़ोन का बैक कैम इज़ वेरी गुड, इट्स एक्सीलेंट. सो आई थॉट ऑफ शूटिंग विथ माई बैक कैम एंड आई स्टार्टेड शूटिंग इट. एंड पूरा मेकअप करने के बाद जब मैंने मोबाइल देखा तो वो वीडियो मेरा ऑटोमेटिकली शट डाउन हुआ था, वीडियो आधा ही रिकॉर्ड हुआ था एंड आई वॉज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड. सो आज मैं फ्रंट कैम से शूट कर रही हूँ. इफ़ यू गाइज आर रिच, इफ़ यू गाइज आर अ डोनर, प्लीज़ donate me a camera.
But here I am, sunny laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go, 'cause I I'm happy on this island. Wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic.
Okay, so we are done with that. Now we will move on to the eyes. So first of all, brows. Eyes bola or फिर brows. Okay, anyway, yeah, for brows I'm using this Purana mascara brush. So just comb your eyebrows with this and just fill in your brows. ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, बिल्कुल नेचुरल लगना चाहिए. Okay, so the next part is eyeshadow. So for that I'm using this a palette from Jacqueline Hill. So let's get started. First of all, अभी हमें करना है normal natural makeup look. So the eyes should also look natural. So we will start with, see, look at this palette. It has a combination of various colors, nudes, pastels, everything. So this is just a gem, pure gem. Okay, so we will start with this color here. Okay, so now we will move on to a lighter brown shade and this. We will mix this two and apply it on the crease. It's kind of powdery, but that's okay. Guys, don't judge. मुझे अच्छे से मेकअप करना नहीं आता है. I'm just showing you my normal makeup look. This is not a tutorial, guys. So if you are expecting a nice expert makeup techniques and all these things, please skip the video. Actually, don't skip it. Watch it, give it a like, and then skip it. But please watch it. Okay, so आँखों का और face का base हो गया है. Now we will move on to contouring. So for that, I'm using this bronzer and highlighter palette. There's my brush. I'm using this bronzer. Now let's add some blush, some pinky cheeks. So for that, I'll be using this two colors. I'm using the same brush. Recently ना अभी लड़कियां नाक पे भी लगाती है ब्लश. So why not?
Memories die out too hard.
So now that the cheeks are nice pinkish, now we are going to highlight our high points. Oh, by the way, I'm using this shade of the highlighter. I do have a fan brush, but I prefer not using it.
We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas.
I like to blend my highlighter into my makeup so it looks natural. See? इसे अलग से थोपा हुआ नहीं लगता है.
Started fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first.
The next part is eyeliner. So for that, I'm using this eyeliner gel pencil. So it's the time, girls. Get your notes ready because I'm going to give you an eyeliner tutorial. Just kidding. Yeah. Okay, so if you want this makeup to be very very simple and natural, don't add eyeliner, but I can't do without eyeliner, so
Here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go.
so now let's move on to the lashes. Let's curl them. You are under arrest, my dear lashes.
'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be.
I'm using this mascara by Maybelline. It's hyper curl and it is quite promising, so I love it.
My farmland, I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic club.
Okay, so we are all done. Okay, not to forget the lips. For the lips, I have this kind of nude pink lipstick. So it's a liquid lipstick, so we're gonna add that to our lips. Hen. All done. So we're gonna finish our look with serum on our hair because that's what I do. That's how I finish my look. So today I'm using this serum by L'Oreal, whatever. So we are all done. Now it's the outfit time. Let's go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. All suggestions are welcome. And I post videos every Thursday. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Until then, see you.